day one, and today's building challenge is building tall towers with the bonus of I'm going to try and build them so they can support an egg.
So if you've got an egg left over from Easter, if that's possible, or maybe you've got an instrument egg or something else that you can use.
We're going to build tall towers.
So it needs to be able to support an egg as an extra challenge, and as well every day we're going to have a special guest come and join us and bring us challenge material. Here today we have Peep Squirrel.
Yay! Hi Peep
Hey,
Squirrel!
Peep Squirrel.
Oh, it's Peep Squirrel! Oh. Peep Squirrel.
If you've been a part of our kinder music classes, you'll probably know who Peep Squirrel is. And he's brought us a challenge. Would you like to do the honours?
Let's see, I'm going to tip these out. Let's see what we've got. Oh, can you tell from the sound?
Okay.
That's it.
So for our challenge today, we have Duplo and Lego. Does this actually work? Can you put Duplo and Lego together?
Yeah, you can. Look at this. What?
Okay. Alright.
Combine some pieces.
So you could use Duplo, you could use Lego, or you could use both.
Yeah.
Alright.
Interesting.
And then-
Alright, so we need to make a tall tower. How do we make tall towers?
Well, actually, it's very good that you asked. Something really simple that you can remember. Fat at the bottom, skinny at the top.
Okay, fatter at the bottom, skinny at the top. Alright, so we need some sort of fatter base part. We've actually got a bit here.
Something we may have prepared earlier.
This one we prepared earlier. So this is wide at the base, so we need to come in this way now.
It's
not
it's
gonna
too
work
wide
yet.
for the egg.
We need to sort of maybe what if we put all this in, go like that. Okay,
That
so
works.
that's not very tall.
No, so you can make it tall.
Make it taller. Alright, so put that one on maybe. Or we go these.
That works. That's teamwork right there.
Yeah, okay, what if we go? I'm going to put one there.
Okay, there's the egg support. Okay, that supports an egg. That's not too bad. What about the chocolate egg?
Duplo though. Well, I think we need some
Okay.
pieces. Oh,
Can we-
go? Oh, we're going to go
I
out
don't
this
know.
way. I'm going to go this way. Oh, can we go there? Yeah, let's go
Okay.
that way.
Go this way, out to the side.
Alright, up to the side a little bit. Maybe. Alright. This is falling out wider at the base, skinnier at the top. A little bit, sort of.
Okay, that's like a platform.
There we go.
So long as it doesn't
Edge on
stretch out
there.
too much. Now, you don't have to use everything. If someone else is setting you this challenge and they give you a bunch of bits, don't worry if you don't use all the bits. That's fine. You can leave
Or
that
you
out.
can even go and get more. I think you'd be allowed to use more. If you've got lots of,
For sure.
Duplo and Lego, you can use as much as you want and make it as tall as you want to go.
So, something else you might like to include in your submission is how tall your tower is. Maybe the top of the egg would be a good place, a ruler or a tape measure.
Yeah.
So if you can, take a photo of it with that in there so we get the idea.
Would be really good. Now I think we need to have a little bit of an extra challenge involved. So I have some extra challenge materials for you. Justin has to make a tower out of what's in here.
Okay. This is like Christmas. Oh yeah. Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Well, hang on, there's something
Marshmallows
else.
and chocolate Easter eggs. That's actually a very good combination.
And toothpicks. Okay, thank you, Christine.
So we want to see what this. We've got to post some photos.
All right, we can do that as well. Now, we did prepare in advance. I do have a challenge for you. Your challenge
What's mine gonna be?
is in here.
I like the marshmallows
It doesn't
and chocolate. Works pretty well together. I've got toilet paper. Toilet paper.
It could be something that people have at their house. So
Yeah, I think what people might have some toilet paper. I could, I suppose, look, we can, balance an egg on there. Right.
Okay.
Toilet paper. I'm going to see, what I can create. You'll have to
Done.
have a look for our photos. Mine's taller.
yours is taller. Okay, so that is the challenge, trying to make it
Yeah, we're
taller.
going to have photos, that can show how tall our towers are. So a ruler, tape measure.
Now, just an extra thing, if you do take photos of yourself with your towers, don't put the faces in there. We would like to share them on Facebook. So just the towers if you can. Arms holding a ruler, that's cool too.
And can you email us the photos and we'll put it all together.
Yeah, definitely. Well, we are looking forward to seeing what you can create. You can use these materials or something else that you have at home. Careful of the eggs, and we'll see you tomorrow.